Okay children, now come to the next paragraph. Find and replace the text. You must have seen the Three Idiot movie, children. Amir Khan changed the script which was written for Chatur. He replaced one word all the time. That word was changed. Now I can show you on the screen how a word can be replaced by another word. Select home tab, click replace from editing group. The find and replace dialog box open. Inside find what box, type the text to be searched. Inside replace with box, type the text to be replaced. This way you can change the word with a particular word, and how many times you write this word, the word will automatically change with the replaced word which you have desired. Like my favorite food is pizza. Pizza is very delicious. It is loaded with veggies and lots of cheese. So I replaced pizza with Maggie. Now when I type the pizza, every time it will automatically change into Maggie. So this way you can replace the word. Click find next button. Click replace to replace the highlighted text. Click replace all to replace all instances of the text in your document. So children, it has been changed from pizza to Maggie. Hello children, let us understand the keyboard. Good morning children. Now I will tell keyboard. In previous class I told you about lesson 2, explore the keyboard. Now I am going to explain you this thoroughly with the help of this keyboard. Initially I sent you the pictures. Now you can see this is a keyboard, a rectangular shape. It is having the number lock key. Good morning children. Today I will show you a video in which you can see the keyboard and the different keys of it. Side by side I will explain all the keys. This is ESC. I told you on previous lesson that ECE, that is escape key. You can see this is on the leftmost corner of your keyboard. So you can control the things. If you have written something by mistake, you can erase it by this key. These are the function key which are starting from F1 to F12. You can see F12. These all are function keys which are having different functions. Now come to this insert, then delete, home, end, page up key and page down key. This is your number lock key. These are the numbers starting from 1 to 0. All the keys also having some symbols on it. On the upper side you can see You can use these key with the help of shift key. First you will push the shift key, then you can use these symbols required to complete any task. These are all the alphabets keys, and this is the space bar key. Do you know, children, it is the mostly used key in the keyboard because it is a space bar key and you use it many times. It is the most used key. There is a shift key, enter key. When you start writing, when you change the paragraph, you use this enter key. This is a backspace key. When you want to delete anything which have you written wrongly, you can erase it with the backspace. And this is also a up, down, right or left key. This is page down key. This is end key. This is home key. Page up, page down. Upward side, downward side. All the function keys are required to use the shortcuts in various ways. Initially, we are having F1, F2 and F3 in our lesson 2 that I told you already in the previous lesson, in the previous class. Thank you so much, children. Keep learning. Thank you.